Hey there, I'm Heidi Nord with the Brilliant Dyslexic. Thanks so much for being part of the Sound Juggling program. So, when we do the sound juggling, you're not going to think about the letters. So, just put a stop sign on the letters. You don't even need to think about it. Just think about seeing the sound of color and about hearing it and saying it also. Those are the good things to do. So here is the first one. If this is A, what if I add D? You have aid. If this is A, what if I add F? You have off. If this is E and I add T, you have eat. If this is I and I add T, you have it. If this is I and I add Z, you have eyes. If this is Ah and I add Z, this is Oz. If this is O and I add T, this is oat. If this is ow and I add T, you have out. If this is and I add S, this is us. If this is oo and I add Z, it's ooze. If I had A and I add you have aim. If I have ought and you add T, we have ought. If I have itch, I'd, I'd, odd, owed, owed, ouch, ouch, up, up, of, use, use, ate, each, each, in, ice, ice, on, own. That's all of the changes we're going to do today, so thank you so much for coming to this lesson. I hope you had fun juggling sounds. See you next time. Bye.